Welcome to Coggno Prime. Coggno Prime is an all-in-one online training platform that provides access to thousands of courses created by organizations and industry experts on a wide range of topics on a subscription basis. Whether you need courses on compliance, safety, or professional development, Coggno Prime has got you covered. With Coggno Prime, you can easily assign courses to employees or groups of employees and track their progress in real time. Coggno Prime makes it easy to manage all your training needs in one place. And the best part, Coggno Prime courses are designed with the learner in mind. They are engaging, interactive, and can be completed at your own pace. Whether your employees are in the office or working remotely, they can access their courses anytime, anywhere. Prime. It's simple. With Coggno Prime, you get high-quality training courses that are easy to access and manage. Plus, with the ability to customize courses and add your own branding, your employees will feel like they are receiving training tailored specifically to your company's needs. See how Coggno Prime can help you save thousands of dollars on courses. Testimonial of our client. So why choose Coggno Prime? Because we understand the unique challenges that the majority of the companies face when it comes to employee training. And with our easy-to-use platform, high-quality courses, and customizable options, we're the solution that you've been looking for. Coggno Prime, the all-in-one solution to your training needs. Sign up for Coggno Prime and start today.